Beth asks, when creating content, did you start by creating everything yourself or do you outsource it?
Always a combination from the beginning. And I think what I like to say first, though, is to realize that as a business owner, that marketing is a full-time job, being the CEO is a full-time job, but most of us are still smaller companies, so we often end up in the marketing and CEO job. So if you're creating all the content that you need as well, then you're keeping yourself from being able to grow your business as much as you can. So you do want to outsource it. And I think, to start with, you can use private label rights content, the commercial use content like we sell at eKit Hub. You can also, create a community. One thing I did too early on, and I had a message board forum. Now I think they still exist, but not as much. But now we have Facebook groups and other platforms like that. Having your audience participate in there and have them create content for you so you can kind of do it that's like a free way to get content created, right? And that you can share when they ask questions, you can answer them, or maybe they answer questions also. That's content as well. So look at how, your resources, but ultimately you should be investing money into creating the content. If, if content is going to be your product, definitely get help with that. Start building a team slowly, reinvesting a little bit as you can and more, because the less you're hands-on with the creating of the actual products and content that you use to promote your products, then the more you're going to have to plan the strategy. So I personally, I don't think, I think I started outsourcing fairly early. And when I started doing the private label rights content packages, I never made those myself. It would have taken way longer, or I'd just be working all the time. Like, I do know some very successful sellers of content who do their own content, but they are working all the time, and that's not what I wanted to do.